First, learn file and printer sharing. After that, learn the differences among intranet, internet and extranet through practical way. First, share this folder, that is important. In order to share this folder, right click on the folder, then click on properties, then click on sharing tab, then click on advanced sharing, then click share this folder. Here you can specify the number of computers which can access this file, then click on permission, then select everyone. If you want to share this folder to everyone, if you want to share a specific computer, then click on add, then type the computer name. Suppose I have a computer name that is Tomba, then click on OK. Then this specific computer can access this file. For right now, I click on everyone, then select full control. If you want everyone to access this file and can read and change this content in this folder, so I have given full control. Select according to your choice, then click apply, then click OK, then apply, then OK, then close. In this way we share folder. Now let's learn sharing printer. In order to this, click on window, then control panel, then click on view device and printer, then click on printer and scanner, then select the printer which you want to share this printer. So click on it, then click on printer properties, then click on sharing tab, then click on send sharing option, then click on share this printer, then click on apply, then click OK, click on apply, then click OK. In this way we share printer. After sharing this printer, we need to do some setting on the operating system. To do this, click on window, then type control panel, then click on view network status and tasks, then click on advanced sharing setting, and in the private network, allow network discovery on, and file and printer sharing on. Then in the public network also, network discovery and file and printer sharing, and then close. In this way we share file and printer. Now let's learn how to access this share file and printer from the client computer. For this, we need to assign one IP address to this server computer. So let's assign one IP address to this server computer. So click on window, then type control panel, then select view network status and tasks, then click on change adapter setting, then right click on Ethernet, then click on properties, then click on internet protocol version 4, then click on properties. Here we will assign one IP address to this PC or server, 0.192.168.0.2. Then simply click on subnet marks, then click on OK, then click on close, then close this dialog box. Now let's flip on to the client computer to access this file and printer. This is the client computer. Now let's try to access those share file and printer from this client computer. For this, we need to assign one IP address to this computer, 192.168.0.3. The server was given 192.168.0.2. Note that first, second, third must be same. The only change must be in the 4th digit. The server was given 2, so the client computer must be given 3. If you have 5 computers, then simply change this 3 to 4. Then give to next computer, then change to 5 to next computer, then to 6 to next computer. So first IP substring must be start from 2. You can give up to 254. That is it will send from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. You can give up to 254. If you have multiple computers, then simply assign first computer 3, first computer 2, next computer 3, next computer 4, next computer 5, next computer up to 254. In this way we assign IP address. So let's assign one IP address to this client computer, that is 192.168.0.3, and simply click on subnet mask, then click OK, then close everything. Now let's try to access those share file and printer from this client computer. There are three ways we can access those file and printer, share file and printer. So the first one is simply click on window, then type run, then here you double backslash, then IP address of the server, that is 192.168.192.168.0.2. This was the IP address of the server, or the share computer IP address. So click on OK. If this dialog box pop up, then let's find the username from server. So let's flip to server. So on the server PC, click Windows plus R together and type cmd and click on OK. Now type on the command prompt echo echo %username %enter. Now use this username, that is Imphal Hospital, to log in from the client computer to access those share file and folder. If you don't want the password protected file sharing pop-up asking the network credential, then simply turn off this password protected file sharing. Then it will not ask the password again to access the share file or folder. Now let's try to access those share files or folder from the client PC now. So simply click on OK. If your server doesn't have any password, even though I have typed the username and kept the password blank and click on OK, you cannot access those share file or folder. So turn off this password protected sharing, then you can access those share file or folder from the client PC. Now I have given the username Imphal Hospital and type the password of the server, then click OK. Here the share files or folder and printer is visible here. We can access this file and printer again by using the computer name, that is double backslash then computer name or name of the server, then click OK. The share file and printer is visible here. This is the second way. Now let's open this folder, and it has contained three items. One is in Word format, one is in text format, one is in website. We can also access this share file and folder by typing the IP address backslash then IP address then backslash then folder name, and simply click on OK. Here the share file and folder is visible here. Such type of sharing files and folder using this private IP address is known as LAN networking. That is, this share file and folders can be accessed within our home or office or within our LAN. We cannot access this file and folder outside our home or office. The main purpose of LAN networking is accessing share file and folder within our home or office. Suppose I like to download this, we can simply click on it and we can download here, and we can access this website also. The main purpose of LAN is sharing documents and accessing website within our home or office. Is known as LAN networking. Now if we want to access this website outside our home or office, then we need one IP address. Instead of this IP address, we will buy one IP address from the ISP. The ISP will provide some IP address somehow like this, 170 something like this. And we can access this website by using this public IP address. That is, this public IP address can be accessed this website beyond our office or home. Such type of accessing website using public IP address is known as intranet. Now come the internet. Instead of typing this IP address and accessing this website, instead of remembering this IP address, instead of this, we type a website URL. That is www.cssoftware.com, and type back and clicking on it, and we get this website. This is known as internet. Internet means converting those public IP address into name. When we type this this website URL, then this website is visible. Means we have to register this website, that is www.cssoftware.com, to DNS that this website URL is connected with the IP address which is assigned by the ISP, by our ISP. We have to register to DNS, and we can access the website using this URL. So this is known as internet. Internet means accessing our website using a URL. Instead of typing the IP address, public IP address, we type the human readable form URL. It's known as internet. Now come the extranet. For extranet, we need to install one VPN. VPN. We need to add VPN by simply clicking on add VPN. Then here you will find here you will assign the VPN provider, or you can buy VPN from other company. They will provide another software, and they will connect our PC with their VPN. Suppose after connecting my VPN, we can access this website. Then this is known as extranet. Extranet means we need to add one VPN, and we have to type the URL, and we can access my website. This is known as extranet. We cannot we cannot access this website if we didn't connect with VPN. It's known as extranet. Extranet require one VPN. Extranet means we can access this website only VPN is connected. Suppose if we have connected internet and we type this URL, we cannot access this website. And if I connected one VPN and type this website URL, then we can access those websites. It's known as extranet. If you connect internet also, you cannot access this website. And if I connect VPN, and if this website URL is typed and connected, is known as extranet. Extranet require one VPN to access this website. For installing share printer on client PC, simply right click on the printer, then click on connect. Then this will install the driver on the client PC.